Hi, welcome to Tammy's Tiny Tots Reborns. Well, this has nothing to do with reborns, but I thought I'd bring you to see this sweet falls. It's a dam in Delhi, Ontario, Canada. It's called Quaint's Dam, Q-U-A-N-C-E. Yeah. There's the, if it'll focus. Focus. No, it won't. Whoa. Okay, so I thought I'd bring you to see this waterfall. And it changes color. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? I know it has nothing to do with reborns, but it's so pretty, I just had to share. John, what are you doing? What are you doing? Our son was here the other day fishing and he caught a trout. The waterfall reflects over onto this little spot over here. I've never been here before. I'd love to come during the day at some point, but it is absolutely beautiful at night. There you go.
They just slightly put that gate there, I guess. See,
can't fish above there.
yeah, I know you're not supposed to go across the landing.
Well, there we go. There is the waterfall in Delhi. Delhi.
Delhi, that's what the GPS calls it.
I know the GPS calls it Delhi, but it's Delhi, Ontario, Canada. Just a short little snippet for everybody. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing this little bit of...
with a friend. Enjoy the Delhi.
Oh, there we go. I didn't do that color before.
Yeah, it changes color.
Yeah. Everyone, have a great weekend and stay safe. And, oh wow, that's really cool. And smile. And share a smile with a friend. Bye-bye.